Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the machine. This reduces risk and lets you test switches safely. Once parked on level ground, engage the parking brake and shut the engine off. Remove the key and disconnect the battery negative terminal so circuits are dead. Make sure blades are blocked or the blade stop is set to prevent movement. You should also wear gloves and eye protection. These steps let you probe safety switches without unexpected starts, so you can focus on testing each component reliably and safely. Next, locate the seat switch, parking/interlock switch, and PTO blade switch. Consult the manual for exact positions if needed. You want to look for obvious damage, corroded connectors, broken wires, or loose clips, because physical faults cause most failures. Once done, reconnect the battery briefly and use a multimeter set to continuity to test each switch while toggling the controls. Make sure to follow OEM test procedures where available. Continuity confirms the switch changes state, and that tells you whether the switch or finally perform functional tests. With everything reconnected, sit, start, and test that the engine or blades stop when you lift from the seat, disengage brake, or switch PTO off. If a switch fails, replace it or repair wiring with proper connectors, solder, heat shrink, and dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. Make sure to test after each fix. If problems persist, perform a wiggle test on wiring to find intermittent faults. If you still can't isolate the issue, consult a dealer or technician and document what you tested and observed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.